Ready to supercharge your Windows 11 experience? Let's dive into the 2024 update. First up, quick settings now offer even more customization. You can adjust your most used settings in a snap. Second, the Start menu has been revamped with context menu labels for better clarity. No more hunting for options. Third, Microsoft is pushing more app suggestions in the Start menu. Love it or hate it, you can disable these in settings. Fourth, the update introduces checkpoint cumulative updates. This means smaller, faster updates by only including files changed since the last checkpoint. Fifth, Bluetooth devices now connect seamlessly with one-click pairing. Sixth, the taskbar has improved drag and drop functionality. Seventh, there's better integration with Microsoft Teams for smoother video calls. Eighth, gaming gets a boost with enhanced DirectX 12 features. Ninth, the Photos app now supports more file formats. 10th, there's a new focus mode to minimize distractions. Last but not least, the update brings better security features to keep your data safe. Stay tuned for more tech updates.